Hi everyone. If you prefer a darker look that's easier on your eyes, Microsoft Edge includes a built-in dark mode that only takes a few moments to enable. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn on dark mode in Microsoft Edge. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your Windows computer. Wait until the browser opens completely before moving to the next step. Now, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, click Appearance from the menu on the left. This section lets you customize how Microsoft Edge looks. Look for the overall appearance or theme option. Click the drop-down menu and select Dark. Microsoft Edge will immediately switch to dark mode without needing to restart the browser. If you want Microsoft Edge to automatically follow your Windows theme, choose the System Default option instead. That way, Edge will switch between light mode and dark mode whenever your Windows appearance changes. Once the dark theme is applied, you're all set. You can return to the appearance settings anytime if you'd like to switch back to light mode or try a different theme. And that's how you enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge. Yeah, it's a simple setting that can make browsing more comfortable, especially in low-light environments. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy technology tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.